Stop paying for CapCut Pro. Here's how to get it 100% free. Let's go and open CapCut. Okay, I successfully opened the CapCut. Let's import random video that we can use as an example that the CapCut Pro trick works. Let's add some pro effects to the video for a showcase. And after hitting export, you can clearly see it requires a pro version. So what you need to do now is create a compound clip with all the stuff you edited so you can use the method for pro version, which is free. Okay, after creating compound clip, all you have to do is go to the video section on the top right and then scroll all the way down till you see motion blur. You have to mark it and set blur to 0. Now let's wait for motion blur to process its own stuff to the video. After processing is done, all you have to do is press Win plus R buttons, and in the search menu, just write down %appdata%. Hit enter on the top, you will see app data. Press on it and navigate to local. Find the CapCut folder, go to user data, then cache, and in the top right, search for motion and hit enter. You will see motion blur cache folder and open it. In this folder, there will be your CapCut's compounded clip with pro version effects, transitions, text layers, and more for free. All you have to do is drag the clip to CapCut, remove the first compounded clip, and replace with the one you found in folder. As you can see, the method works perfectly fine, and you can even export the pro version's effects and more without pro version. Hope you liked my video. If you did, hit subscribe, like, and comment. It means a lot to me.